This time we have VTuber art raffle scams. Let's just go into this. We have this tweet that was posted by Mage Frost, who also goes by Mage on Twitter. Genuinely, what do people gain from this? And it is a screenshot of a Twitter user who goes by the handle Emily_open, who writes, art raffle, 2 winners will receive a thigh up drawing. To enter, like plus retweet plus follow, reply with your design. And if you take a look at this, you're gonna be like, wait, what exactly is the problem? When I first saw this, I was like, wait, are you telling me that this creator Mage doesn't know what the point of an art raffle is? That is like on first glance, right? And then you do like, I don't know, 1 ounce of critical thinking and you're like, something's wrong. Take a look at this tweet. This is a tweet that Mage put out on October 8th, writing, art raffle, 2 winners will receive a thigh up drawing. To enter, like plus retweet plus follow, reply with your design. Ends October 14th. And would you look at that? Adorable, cute artwork. I love their art style so much. It's very like shiny, jelly-like. I want to just like hug their art. Their art is so pretty. And once you have that context, it makes Emily's tweet look really weird. Note too that Emily literally has the exact same copy as Mage's tweet minus the spacing, right? You see how it's like there's a space and then it goes to the 3rd line, a blank line, and then the 4th line. They literally just took it, emojis and all, like the same heart emojis, everything, the same tulip emotes, the same copy. The only thing is they changed the second tulip to a camera. Yeah, and they're verified too. They paid for Twitter Blue just to be doing this scam and type behavior. So if we look in the comments, we have a lot of people who are showing their sympathies. Denny Kuramu writes, I'm so sorry this happened to you. This is so sick, and the audacity. Mage says literally like this is the 2nd time this has happened within the past 2 weeks, which also has me second. Oh boy. First off, that absolutely sucks, and nobody should ever have anybody stealing or trying to claim your artwork or your raffle as theirs. To try to look at some positive from this, it means that Mage's art is so good that people want to steal it. Stealing is never okay. Please never steal people's artwork at idea. I'm just trying to glean some positive from this. You know what I mean? Because this is an overall shitty situation. Ezra says, no freaking way, just why? Azu says, I was about to write a long essay until I realized the art is yours. Which, yes, without that context, it may seem like, wait, why is this person complaining about an art raffle? Until you realize that is their artwork that somebody else stole for a fake raffle. And Paichi writes, I think it's actually a way to scam people. When people enter the scammer's message and try to come up with a reason why now they need to be paid, hoping their victim is nice and gullible enough to fall for whatever story they make up. Katie writes, yeah, they follow me and I looked through their account, and when I noticed this, I knew that they stole that. Euphoric Katie says, I think they just want follows. I'm sorry this happened to you. I hope people stop doing things like this. And that is freaking weird. I want to preface this, by the way, please don't send hate to anybody. Please don't send hate to either party involved. That is not cool. Here we have Emily's page, okay? They write, I draw sometimes. I think it's funny that their birthday is on April Fool's. I don't know if that is true or if that is a joke they're trying to make. If you go to their replies, you can find this interaction. We have a tweet from Powder Puff who writes, don't enter this. It was stolen from Mage Frost. Here is the link to the original raffle. And the original tweet has been deleted. Look what Emily writes. I like it just because I post mine raffles. Wait, I'm so confused. I'm not trying to make fun of their English. Maybe, perhaps English is not their first language, but I don't know what they're trying to explain here. They're writing, I like it just because I post mine for raffles, maybe stating that they liked the art, so then they posted it themselves. And there's a reply from Calum writing, what, you literally stole the art plus caption, basically advertising a raffle using somebody else's art without credit. This shows that Emily acknowledged that they did do this, and they seem to have no remorse for their actions either. Normally, I don't do this. Normally, I will not dig through somebody's account to try to like call out their behavior, but because this person has some sort of scammy behavior, I just need to show you something, guys, because it gets worse. If you keep going down their replies, it's extremely bot-like behavior, or they're 12. It's like, I'm sorry. It's literally one or the other. Check your DM, check your DM, check your DM. Can I get a follow? Can I get a follow? Please check your DM, check your DM. Can I get a follow? Either they're a bot or they're 12. There's genuinely no, I do not know this person. They just stole another V artist raffle, but I'm so confused right now. Yeah, like here, literally look at this. No, I don't know this person. Look at this. Like somebody's just replying to a cute outfit and then, can I get a follow back? Check your DM. Oh boy. And anyways, they had deleted the fake raffle they made, probably because it was apparent that they had stolen. I am actually very inclined to believe that this person is a scammer. And the reason being is if you go through their accounts, the art style doesn't match up at all. They claim to be an artist, right? Looking for a character artist, no worries, I can make that for you. Okay, we have a sketch, sure. I can make 3D model and 3D rigging. Wow, okay. Very well rendered hair. So here is a design they made for somebody. You know, I like the tiger pattern hair, the tail. This is allegedly also their work. This is also their work, allegedly. But the thing that I'm just trying to point out is how different the art style is. Notice the art style for the model versus a commission they made for somebody. This also allegedly is their artwork. And so is this. Super cute. But I just want to point out how different the art style is. Look at how they highlight on this. A lot of very, very heavy-handed white highlighting with lines and dots and etc., which is then not present in other works. This art piece uses a lot of airbrushing, which you don't find with their other artwork. Like this piece here, you don't see that heavy-handed airbrushing that a lot of beginner artists tend to use. This is also allegedly their recent work, and this is also their work, and allegedly this one. That's just why this leads me to think that this person is a scammer. Allegedly, basically the art style is too inconsistent and the level of skill is too big between their digital arts, other digital pieces that they claim to have been theirs, and the 3D models they allegedly are capable of creating. It's just the skill gap is way too big amongst their pieces. You could make the argument, what if some pieces are old and some pieces are new? The thing is though, if you're an artist who does commissions, you typically will not advertise really old pieces because it's not representative of your current skill level. This person, which is a little bit of a red flag to me, alongside the fact that they exhibit a lot of other scam behavior, like stealing mage's raffle, post the artwork, the literal copy, and then pretending it's theirs. So when we tie everything together, it really leads me to believe that this Emily account is a scam account or it's a 12-year-old. It's one or the other. So I'm just curious as to your thoughts, whether you think it's a 12-year-old, a scam, etc. At the end of the day, I'm so sorry to Mage. Their artwork, by the way, is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous, 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 beautiful artwork. Yeah, so Mage is clearly extremely talented. They're so talented, people want to steal their art, which sucks. Nobody should ever steal art. They're amazingly talented. Their art is really, really pretty, and I love their art style. I keep recommending you check out Mage if you want to see their pretty arts. Maybe don't check out Emily because they seem to be scamming people. Again, don't send hate. That's not cool. And I'll see you guys in another video. Please be aware of the art raffles you sign up for. Engagement bait raffles are messed up. A thread. So we start with this first photo. January 14th, hello. And then January 14th, hi, please send me your reference of your character. This will take approximately 1 month to 3 months. All I ask in return is to not rush me. And yeah, thank you so much for participating. But understand that you may be stressed out from the outside sources, but leading someone on for half a year is a bit messed up. Again, this is now June 3rd. So we are going into 5 months. And now other people are also coming out talking about their experiences with this said artist. So corn.ca had tweeted, I totally feel for you, literally have had the same kind of thing, and I only kept messaging them because they kept dragging me on about how they'll do it soon, or they'll do X first and then the raffle. That's the only reason I've kept messaging. So this was in 2019. Corn gave them the reference. The artist said, okay, this is October 2019. For them, Corn, it was 2.5 years out of no update about their model, etc. I'm guessing they never got it. There's two sides to this take that I have seen. We have people like Vampy Bat who said, maybe this is a hot take, but who cares? If you want the art that badly, pay for it. All you did was retweet and follow that person. You lost nothing. Making a whole thread about how you didn't get a free VTuber model is tacky and weird. I understand this side, right? I mean, at the end of the day, all you did was retweet and enter a raffle, essentially. It cost you nothing to enter the raffle. You didn't have to pay to enter it. You literally just hit 2 buttons on your phone and you called it a day. And then we have the other side of people's take where they said, the one time I held a raffle for a chibi art and rig model I wasn't able to fulfill, I gave the winner of my raffle $100. That was the price value of a chibi model from me at the time. Please have the decency to compensate some way if you aren't able to fulfill prizes of your raffles. It is free art, so at the end of the day, your world is not falling apart because you did not receive free art that you wouldn't have had if you didn't even enter the raffle. But I also think it's true that as an artist, you should not be holding raffles if you can't deliver on said promise, because that inherently will kind of wear down the trust of the public in you as an artist.